When it comes to the inside of these trucks, the lighting really doesn't need an upgrade. Everything is LED, but there is an upgrade that I want to install. And that is this Taddy Brothers 4K dash cam. I've got a dash cam in the 996, but it'd be nice to have one in the truck as well because, well, people simply can't drive, and this is a good way to protect yourself in case of a collision. But this also has GPS built in, and it has a super easy mount, connects to your phone. Now these things are really, really simple to install. This has a simple lock button on a suction cup. I just gotta figure out where I want it. Since the lens is on the right side, I'm probably gonna put it on the right side of this mirror. Now what's nice about this dash cam, it just came out and it has USB-C, which makes it a little more convenient. Be careful with the airbag. It also comes with a rear camera, however, I'm not using that in my situation because I already have that rear view camera in the third brake light. Wi-Fi compatible, has 4K, wide angle lens, everything you need for a dash cam. Really simple install. I'll have a link for you guys below to check this out. And you can see just how crystal clear this dash cam footage is, being that it's 4K. It can also record audio. It has your longitude, latitude with the GPS and shows you your speed. Very, very happy with this unit. I would highly recommend it.